Welcome. Today I'll show you how to use SMMFaster.site to boost your social media. First, sign up and log in to your account. Next, deposit funds using your preferred payment method. Then browse their services and place an order for what you need. Finally, just wait for the results and watch your engagement grow. It's that simple. How to sign up on SMMFaster.site. Step-by-step guide. First, open your browser like Chrome or Safari and go to SMMFaster.site. Sign up. You will see the sign-up form. Fill in the required details. Choose a unique username, enter a valid email, create a strong password, and then confirm your password. If there's a CAPTCHA, complete the verification. Click on the Sign Up button, and you're done. Your account will be created successfully. Now log in using your username and password to access the dashboard. Here are some tips. Use a real email in case you need to recover your account. Keep your password safe, and don't share your login details with anyone. That's it. You're ready to start using SMM Faster. Welcome. Today I'll show you how to use SMMFaster.site to boost your social media. First, sign up and log in to your account.